In this slippery mud slope climbing challenge, an old-shaped Land Rover Discovery takes on the unforgiving terrain with grit and persistence. From the moment it enters the slope, the thick mud begins to resist every movement, causing the wheels to spin and the vehicle to lose traction repeatedly. It gets stuck multiple times, each attempt demanding more throttle, more control, and more patience as the mud threatens to pull it backward. Despite the struggle, the driver keeps pushing, and on the final attempt, the Discovery surges forward with determination, clawing its way up the slope inch by inch until it finally reaches the top, and it nearly crashing into the trees in the process. Moments later, the GWM Tank 400 charges up the same slope with confidence, accelerating smoothly and conquering the muddy climb with impressive ease. These 4x4 adventurists push forward with a relentless mindset, refusing to be held back by the treacherous road conditions ahead. The mud pit slope is deep, slippery, and unpredictable, threatening to trap their vehicles at every turn. Yet turning back is no longer an option. They've already committed to the challenge, and they don't give a damn about it. In this intense, slippery mud road climbing challenge, the Dongfeng M Hero 917 charges forward with determination, its powerful engine and rugged design initially giving it an edge as it enters the muddy terrain. However, as the vehicle progresses deeper and deeper into the soaked, unstable ground, the situation rapidly deteriorates, and the thick mud begins to behave like traps, slowly swallowing the tires and sapping away traction with every rotation. As the vehicle moves further in, the ground softens beneath it, causing the wheels to sink and spin without gaining solid grip, making steering sluggish and unpredictable. What begins as a confident climb gradually becomes a struggle for control, as the mud continuously eats away at the SUV's ability to move forward or maneuver effectively. Even with its off-road strength, the conditions prove overwhelming. This exact same challenge proves equally unforgiving for the GWM Tank 300, which also finds its capabilities pushed to the limit under the same harsh conditions. Despite its solid off-road credentials, it too experiences the relentless grip of the mud, struggling to maintain control as the surface becomes slick and unmanageable. In the end, both vehicles highlight a harsh truth of off-roading. When the mud becomes deep and slippery enough, it can overpower even the most capable machines. We've now switched to an even more slippery mud road terrain, where the steep, slick slope constantly tries to drag vehicles backward, leaving drivers fighting for even the slightest control. One wrong move, and the tires lose grip, sending the vehicle sliding down with little chance to recover. First up is the GWM Cannon Off-Road Edition, a powerful machine but burdened by its own weight, making this climb a serious test of balance between strength and traction. Whether it can push through or get pulled back remains to be seen. Then comes the BJ40, stepping into the same unforgiving conditions with a more agile off-road profile, attempting to navigate the slope with precision and control. Moments later, two BYD Leopard 5 SUVs push forward together across the slippery mud road terrain, their tires struggling for grip on the wet, unstable surface. Despite the mud slowing them down and threatening to pull them off balance, both vehicles maintain steady momentum, carefully navigating the treacherous path as they continue to press deeper into the challenge.